Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which was the first Muslim dynasty that ruled India? Option A, Slav dynasty, B, Lodi dynasty, C, Tughlaq dynasty, and D, Khilji dynasty. The correct answer is Slav dynasty. Slav dynasty was the first Muslim dynasty that ruled India. Qutb-Din Aibak, a slave of Muhammad Ghori who became the ruler after the death of his master, founded the Slav dynasty. Question number 2. Who is the only tennis player who has completed a Golden Slam? Option A, Roger Federer, B, Steffi Graf, C, Serena Williams, and D, Rafael Nadal. The correct answer is Steffi Graf. Steffi Graf is the only tennis player to complete a Golden Slam in a single year in 1988. A Golden Slam is when a tennis player wins all 4 Grand Slam tournaments: Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, and the US Open, and an Olympic gold medal in singles in the same year. Question number 3. Which state has proposed to set up the first blockchain district in India? Option A, Gujarat, B, Maharashtra, C, Telangana, and D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Telangana. The Telangana government has conceptualized a blockchain district within Hyderabad, aiming to establish a world-class ecosystem for blockchain technology. Question number 4. Which animal urine glow in the dark under ultraviolet light? Option A, goat, B, cat, C, human, and D, rat. The correct answer is cat. The cats will exhibit glowing urine under ultraviolet light due to the presence of phosphorus in their urine, which fluoresces when exposed to UV lights. Essentially, most animal urine will glow under a black light. Question number 5. Which of the following is known as the granite city of the world? Option A, Aberdeen, B, Chicago, C, Australia, and D, Rome. The correct answer is Aberdeen. The city known as Granite City of the world is Aberdeen, located in Scotland. It earned this nickname due to its extensive use of locally cured granite in building, which give the city its distinctive appearance. Question number 6. Borobudur is the world's largest Buddhist temple. It is located in A, China, B, Egypt, C, Indonesia, and D, Japan. The correct answer is Indonesia. Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple, is located in central Java, Indonesia. It was built in 9th century during reign of the Salandra dynasty. Question number 7. Which of the following cities is known by the name of the city of smoke? A, Kolkata, B, Lanzhou, C, Chicago, and D, London. The correct answer is London. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, London was infamous for its thick smokes caused by the widespread use of coal for heating and industry. This smoke, often referred to as a pea soup fog, was a mixture of smoke and fog that could linger for days. Question number 8. In India, which state having maximum groundnut production? Option A, Gujarat, B, Karnataka, C, Tamil Nadu, and D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Gujarat. Gujarat is the largest producer of groundnuts in India. Other major producers include Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and the Karnataka. Groundnuts are grown in both the Kharif and Rabi seasons, with the Kharif seasons accounting for more than 75% of total production. Question number 9. How tall is India Gate? Option A 40 meters, B 42 meters, C 50 meters, and D 36 meters. The correct answer is 42 meters. Question number 10. Which of the following is the official language of Goa? A. Kannada, B. Dogri, C. Sindhi, and D. Konkani. The correct answer is Konkani. According to the Goa Daman and Diu Official Language Act 1987, Konkani in Devanagari script is the sole official language of Goa. Question number 11. How many team members are there in each team of basketball game? Option A 5, B 7, C 9, and D 11. The correct answer is 5. Question number 12. Which one of the following metals do not react with cold as well as hot water? Option A iron, B sodium, C calcium, and D magnesium. The correct answer is iron. Question number 13. Which of the following terms is associated with architecture of a Buddhist stupa? A. Gurupuram, B. Harmika, C. Garbha Girha, and D. Mandap. The correct answer is Harmika. Harmika, a square railing or balcony-like structure that surrounds the top of stupa, its symbol of respect and honor. Question number 14. What is the most abundant form of matter in the universe? A. Solid, B. Gas, C. Plasma, and D. Liquid. The correct answer is plasma. The most abundant form of matter in the universe is plasma. It makes up the vast majority of ordinary matter, constituting nearly all stars and dominating the space between galaxies. Plasma is a state of matter where atoms are so energized that they lose electrons, creating a sea of charged particles. Question number 15. Which fruit is known as the poor man apple in India? A. Banana, B. Guava, C. Mango, and D. Pear. The correct answer is guava. In India, guava is commonly referred to as the poor man apple due to its affordability and high nutritional value. It is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, and is widely accessible to people across different economic backgrounds. Question number 16. The World Wide Web WW was invented by A. Bill Gates, B. Bob Kerr, C. Steve Jobs, and D. Tim Berners-Lee. The correct answer is Tim Berners-Lee. The World Wide Web WW was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Berners-Lee developed the first web browser, web server, and the fundamental technology of web, including HTTP and HTML and the URL Uniform Resource Locators. Question number 17. Hemoglobin has the highest affinity with which gas? Option A SO2, B CO2, C CO, and D. NO2. The correct answer is CO. Hemoglobin has the highest affinity for carbon monoxide CO gas. It has 240 times more affinity for carbon monoxide than oxygen. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that transport oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues. When carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin, it forms a cherry red compound called carboxyhemoglobin. Question number 18. In which part of the brain is the medulla oblongata located? A. Cerebrum, B. Brainstem, C. Cerebellum, and D. Hypothalamus. The correct answer is brainstem. Question number 19. A local system of canal irrigation called Khul is practiced in A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, and D. Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Khul are traditional irrigation channel in Himachal Pradesh where water from natural streams is diverted into man-made canal to irrigate field, particularly in hilly terrain where other irrigation methods are difficult. Question number 20. Where do crocodiles store their fats? Option A. Stomach, B. Head, C. Tail, and D. Arteries. The correct answer is tail. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.